Cheryl, hey, so I've been seeing more and more buzz, about neurodiversity, but not just as a nice to have thing for diversity, equity, and inclusion, but actually like a strategic advantage. It's kind of blown my mind a little bit.
Oh, absolutely, Shannon. It's such an exciting shift. We're talking about conditions like ADHD, autism, dyslexia, dyscalculia, and realizing these aren't just, well, challenges necessarily, but actual superpowers in the right context. Like, it's not just about ticking a box, it's about competitive edge, you know?
Superpowers. Wow. So, what kind of superpowers are we actually talking about here? Because I guess I always thought of it more as like just different ways of learning, but strategic advantage sounds way more impactful.
Totally. Think about it. A lot of folks on the autism spectrum, incredible pattern recognition, precision, like seeing tiny inconsistencies others miss, essential for cybersecurity or data analysis, right? And then you've got hyperfocus, often with ADHD or autism. That deep, sustained attention when something clicks, oh my gosh, it leads to elegant solutions like in coding. And dyslexia, Shannon, isn't just about reading difficulties. It often comes with amazing visual spatial reasoning. Think Einstein, Edison. They could like visualize complex ideas in 3D. It's a goldmine for creativity and design. There's a yin-yang there, poorer reading, higher visual thinking.
Wow. So, it's not just individual traits, but when you bring those minds together, what happens then? Like, does it actually make teams better, or is it more of a potential thing?
Oh, it's totally, absolutely, demonstrably better. Research shows cognitive diversity, especially with neuroinclusion, boosts creativity and problem solving big time. Neurodiverse teams can outperform others in problem solving by up to 30%, and they're 35% more likely to outperform competitors in innovation and financial results. Seriously, productivity jumps 25 to 40% when neurodivergent people are in roles that match their strengths. It's wild.
That's incredible. And I heard something about a quantum computing parallel. That sounds really intriguing, but I can't quite picture it.
Oh, it's such a cool analogy. Quantum systems can exist in superposition, right? Holding multiple possibilities at once. Well, neurodivergent brains, especially with ADHD, often process information in this really messy, dynamic, complex way, exploring multiple perspectives simultaneously. It's like parallel processing. They anticipate solutions and see connections more linear thinkers might miss, exactly like how quantum computers explore many outcomes at once. That's why quantum computing, with its pattern recognition and nonlinear thinking, is an ideal field for neurodivergent folks. It just clicks, you know?
Okay, so this isn't just theory, it's actual, like, measurable business impact. How do companies actually, pivot to make this happen? What does building a workplace where everyone can thrive look like?
That's the million-dollar question, right? First, rethink recruitment. Traditional interviews often penalize neurodivergent folks. Companies are doing skills-based assessments, giving interview questions ahead of time, even workplace trials. It's about seeing what people can do. Second, design for well-being. Quiet zones, flexible seating, dimmer lights, noise-canceling headphones, and remote work options. It respects different focus rhythms and boosts productivity, seriously.
That makes so much sense. And I imagine leaders, like managers, have a huge role to play here too.
Absolutely. Equipping leaders is crucial. Training managers in HR to recognize strengths, accommodate challenges, it transforms potential friction into creative spark, you know? And it's happening. Deloitte has global neurodiversity initiatives, Auticon places autistic professionals in IT, and then giants like Microsoft, SAP, IBM. Microsoft's program, started in 2015, has a 30% higher retention rate. SAP's Autism at Work means neurodiverse teams finish projects 40% faster. These aren't charity, Shannon. They're smart, strategic investments.